driving on the way to Spuds. We got Tommy right here in the passenger. Let's get it. Gas. Again. HELCAT. Oh, 01. Yeah, you gotta be responsible. Make sure you put your cap up there. We're rolling. Fucking in the gas station every 2 days. Say what's up to the vid. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Just got to Oxnard to Spuds. IS350. We got the IS350. Z01 rolling up next to it. Yeah. Tough. $60 just like that. Damn. Usually a 70, bro. We're a quarter full. We're good. Oh fuck. Oh, we're good. Oh, can't forget the Red Bull on the fucking roof. Let's see what that got us. Full tank. That's good. Bro, that ass looks mean. Alright guys, we're probably gonna tune in right now when we go record other cars. If not, when we get out to CAMARO. Alright guys, just get in here. Got the beams. Side. XM3. Yes sir. 4 up ahead. Good. Eva. Say what's up, say what's up. CTSV rolling up. Damn. Romero. Alright, we're heading out towards Cam right now. Put this bitch down. Oh, everyone's mobbing, dude. coupe? Oh, you should have gone with those.
Curve centerfold. Probably in the track. Probably got 100. All lives bills. Probably got it coming. Cherry baby boy.
It's the RCF from the fucking freeway, all loud, crazy fast. Got down with that 5.0. Looking pretty good.
Yeah, I want to see a HELCAT. Gosh, what the hell? So you can hear the supercharger.
Carbon fiber.
It pulls in the air from the inside of the car.
No, it just like
I was
pulls
talking
in
to the
all
run
the
with the windows
cigarette.
closed.
Where the fuck is all the cigarettes?
Kick-ass Honda. If you know, you know. Laptop. 3 so clear. Camera does not do justice. Turn on the flash. Individual. So nice. Carbon fiber roof. Spec'd up. Two beauties. F80M3 looking good. Carbon roof. G80 looks sick as fuck too. Ooh, on a tire. Hell yeah, my boy. Tough. The beams. Alright guys, we're co-pilot now. Tommy right here. Professional driver.